Hello and welcome to the water efficiency module of this Sustainable Building Training series. In this short video, you can expect to learn about the importance of water efficiency in buildings and the strategies to conserve water in buildings. Water is a valuable resource on which our life and daily activities inside and outside buildings depends. Buildings are therefore equipped with sophisticated water supply and drainage systems to provide their occupants with the treated water that is needed for drinking, bathing, cooking, and other activities, and remove it when needed. While there is so much water on the earth, less than 1% of that is fresh water available for humans, which explains the scarcity and the stress on water resources in some parts of the world. In this map of the water supply stress index, yellow represents low stress on the water supply, and the darker it gets to orange and brown, the more stress on the water supply. While this map shows that the most of the western half of the country is under medium to high water supply stress, climate change is going to make this situation even worse, and water shortages are expected to impact most of the United States in the next 50 years. According to the United States Geological Survey, the total water use in the United States was estimated to be 322 billion gallons per day in 2015, 87% of which was freshwater withdrawals. As you can see in this figure, California and Texas represent the states with the highest water withdrawal. The water in buildings is used for various purposes. For example, 37% of water in office buildings is consumed for domestic use and restrooms, while 28% of it is used for cooling and heating, 22% for landscaping, and 13% for the kitchen uses. Because of significant amounts of water used in buildings, the expected water shortages, as well as the projected growth of population and future water demand, it is important to use water efficiently in buildings. Saving water in buildings can lead to cost and energy savings and reduce the building's carbon footprint. This interdependency between water and energy is increasingly becoming important to consider, mainly because, on the one hand, water is used in the process of producing energy and electricity. On the other hand, energy is needed to supply water to consumers and treat wastewater. Some of the main strategies to conserve water use in buildings include measuring and reducing the potable water use, reducing or removing the need for irrigation, and optimizing process water use. Using low-flow water sense labeled fixtures is a particularly important strategy because they are more efficient than regular products and can significantly reduce water use. Another important strategy is to avoid using potable water for landscape irrigation. According to statistics, 22% of water use in office buildings, for example, is because of landscape irrigation. Therefore, significant gallons of water can be saved through xeriscaping by planting the trees that are native to location, thus reducing irrigation. Using water sense sprinklers and controllers can further conserve water. A third water conservation strategy is to optimize non-cooling process water use, which is the water used in boilers, dehumidification systems, and other operational systems in buildings. Recycled alternative water of sufficient quality is suggested to be used to meet the demand for processed water in buildings and hence minimize potable water use. Thank you for watching this short video about water conservation in buildings, and I hope you found the information useful. Suggested readings about efficient water use in buildings can be found at the end of this video. Also, please watch the other videos in this series to better understand how sustainable buildings can help reduce negative impacts on the environment while creating healthier spaces for people to live and work in.